Okay, so here we are. We're in the stage of starting to remove the pool already. I already started, and as you can see, all the tops, the top ring is off. All the deck is gone inside my trailer. Sorry. And starting to work on the pool right now. It's already empty. Well, I would say 95% is empty. Some water on it, but we're gonna cut the liner. It's a beautiful day. It's not cold and it's not hot. Just perfect. This is my brushless Milwaukee. Okay, so we're gonna keep going and take a few pictures. Jeremy, yep. Say hi to hi. Candid camera. So yeah. Okay, I'll see you in a bit.